Very well, thank you. In which class do you read? Nursery class. Okay, today's activity is circle the right one. Okay? Circle the right one. Okay, tell me. Listen carefully. Kesav, look carefully बेटा. Yes, मैम ने यहाँ कुछ पिक्चर बनाई है ना, और यहाँ लिखे हैं लेटर. इनमें से जो राइट होगा ना, जो सही होगा, उसको हमें सर्कल करना है और आपको यस और नो बोलना है. सबसे पहले टर्न आती है दक्ष. स्टैंड अप. यस, दक्ष, टेल मी विच पिक्चर इज दिस बेटा? ट्री. वाओ, वेरी गुड. ओके, टेल मी दिस लेटर इज टी फॉर ट्री, यस और नो? नो. दिस लेटर इज टी फॉर ट्री, यस और नो? नो. This letter is T for tree. Yes, very good. Circle this. Take this chalk. Yes. T for tree. Circle. Yes, हाथ नहीं गया ना. Okay, very good. Clap for ducks. Excellent. Rachit, stand up. Come, Rachit. Rachit, tell me which letter is, which picture is this, beta? Wow, very good. Okay, tell me this letter is I for ice cream, yes or no? No. This letter is I for ice cream, yes or no? Yes. This letter is I for ice cream, yes or no? No. Okay. This letter is I for ice cream. Yes, मैम सर्कल कर देती है ना, आपका हाथ वहाँ तक नहीं जाएगा. Okay, very good. Clap for Rachit. Bhumi, stand up बेटा. Bhumi, stand up. Tell me which picture is this बेटा?
G for grapes.
Wow, excellent. Okay, tell me this letter is G for grapes, yes or no? No. This letter is G for grapes, yes or no? No. This letter is G for grapes, yes or no? Yes, very good. Circle it. Take this chalk. Yes. Wow, excellent. Clap for Bhumi. Excellent work. Go. Khushu, come. Khushu, tell me which picture is this, beta? Wow, elephant. Okay, tell me this letter is E for elephant, yes or no?
Yes.
No. Look carefully. No. This letter is E for elephant, yes or no? No. No, beta. This letter is E for
Elephant.
yes. Circle it. See, circle karo. Very good. This letter is E for elephant. Yes. Circle करना बेटा. Circle करो इसको. Yes. Very good. Clap for Khushu. Love, stand up beta. Love, tell me which picture is this?
K for kite.
Yes. Okay, tell me this letter is K for kite, yes or no?
No.
No. This letter is K for kite, yes or no? This letter is K for kite, yes or no? Yes. Okay. Take this, circle it. Right hand. Okay. Give me. give me. Yes, very good. Clap for love. Excellent. Stand up बेटा. दाविक आपको नहीं बोला, मैंने उमेर को बोला है. उमेर कम, stand up. उमेर, tell me उमेर, which picture is this बेटा?
Cat.
Which picture is this?
Ball.
Ball. Very good. Speak loudly. Ball. Okay. Tell me this letter is B for ball, yes or no?
No.
No. Okay. This letter is B for ball, yes or no?
Yes.
No बेटा, ये B for ball नहीं है. This letter is B for ball, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. This letter is B for ball. Speak loudly. This letter is B for ball. So circle it. Very good. Clap for Umer. Go. Davu, stand up बेटा. Davik, tell me Davik, which picture is this?
Mango.
Wow, mango. Okay, tell me this letter is M for mango, yes or no?
No.
No. This letter is M for mango, yes or no?
No.
This letter is M for mango, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Clap for Davik, circle it. Okay, very good. Go take your seat. Kesav, come. Come, Kesu. Kesav, tell me which picture is this?
Alpha lawyer.
Yes. This letter is L for lion, yes or no?
No.
No. This letter is L for lion, yes or no?
No.
This letter is L for lion, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. This letter is L for lion. So circle it. Yes, very good. Excellent work. Clap. Clap, clap, Daksh.